Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Xiaomi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing there are continuously battery draining problem, then there is a issue in your smartphone. If you have enabled auto update apps or auto update software automatically, you have to disable it. Like first I show you. First click on Play Store, click on this. Here it is settings, click on network preference auto update apps, and you have to click on don't auto update apps. So you have to update it manually when it comes. Then simply press back. You have to turn off automatically update software update at night. Then friends, you have to release some of your storage, and some of the heavy game or multitasking you are doing, you have to delete it. Your phone is not taking it light, it will take too much battery to consume for it. You have to delete it and then it will be fixed. You have to just restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.